This is a very short video, but the second ingredient that we'll need for var of par is what's called the Wronskian matrix. So the Wronskian matrix of two functions, f of t and g of t, is simply the following. So on the first row, you put your functions, f and g, and on the second row, you just differentiate the hell out of everything until you get a square matrix. So f prime of t, g prime of t. So for instance, the Wronskian matrix of t squared and t cubed is simply the following. So you put t squared and t cubed and differentiate. So 2t, 3t squared. And by the way, you may guess it, if you had three functions, f, g, and t, you will put the first derivatives and then the second derivatives to get a square matrix. And the determinant of that, by the way, is what's called the Wronskian, and it's extremely cool and a very powerful tool to solve ODEs. And in fact, if you look at my website, there is a separate handout that's completely optional that guides you through the amazing properties of the Wronskian.